All right, here's a little room tour. Room 482. So as you walk in, here's your entry as you walk in. On the left-hand side, you have got a closet. Hangers. That thing is beat up. I have seen some wear and tear in those hotels. Definitely seen some wear and tear. A little bit of a little tad musty smell in the room. So something to take thought of. But kind of cool. Place for like maybe your clothes or even shoes in there. Kind of a nice little storage idea. Kind of like that. As we keep going down, you got a nice chest. Standard safe. And you do have a mini fridge with nothing in it. I don't know if it's on. It feels really hot. I don't know if that works or not. But mini fridge, very warm. Spot to put your luggage, kind of nice. So luggage rack, coffee maker with coffee cups, more storage, lots of storage. And then to the right hand side, you have got your restroom, standard toilet with its own door, which is kind of nice. Large vanity, dual sinks, tons of towels. We're gonna probably have to get a couple more of those. Here's your walk-in shower, kind of nice, almost like a rain shower. Got a secondary attachment over there. Looks like if you want to enjoy the balcony views as you shower, you can open that up. But there's your shower right there. So just give you a view of your restroom right there. That's on the right hand side. There's your bathroom. Again, toilet right there. Again, I kind of like that it's got its own separate door. And then as we keep on going into the room, we've got a standard king bed, his and hers nightstands. You got a couch. And then this is actually, they do adjoining rooms here. So ours joins up to someone else's room. Again, more storage. Standard television. More storage up under there for items. Kind of nice. You have got a table with chairs. A couch. And then the best part about it is these rooms do have balconies. So if we want to walk out here and enjoy the view, open this up, and here is your balcony view. So there is the Carnival cruise ship that we saw today, and there is our balcony. So that is your room tour right there. Pretty nice room. Again, has a little bit of a musty smell. As you see out here, you do have a table and sitting area, which is kind of nice. Sammy's checking it out and enjoying it. But that right there is your room. Just to give you a full view right here. There's your couch, bed. That's it right there.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go check out our channel for more Bimini content and Resorts World content as well. We do the beach club. We go try some local foods that are amazing. We go all over the place of Bimini. We explore literally the whole island. Now, it's not very big, but make sure to check out our channel for other videos of Bimini, and hope we see you back here.